The Recoil REC-20 battery tool installs Recoil Tanged and Tangless threaded inserts. The complete toolkit includes the battery driver, a battery charger, the charger power cable, and a spare battery. The battery charger comes with a cord to fit the power source for your region. To connect the power cable, locate the connection on the back side of the battery charger. Align the connector on the end of the cord and plug it in. The REC-20 battery driver has two speed settings, low and high. The trigger runs the tool forward with a reverse button underneath. The release button allows the removal of the battery to charge it or change to the spare, and the torque controller adjusts up to number 15. You can also use the REC-20 as a pistol drill or fold out into a straight driver. To install tangless inserts, use the tangless installation tool with a spring-loaded pawl. The spring-loaded pawl grabs onto the notch of the Recoil Tangless insert, holding it in place to drive into the threaded hole. Thread a tangless insert past the end of the mandrel. The ramp on the mandrel then pushes up against the tang of a Recoil Tanged insert, allowing the insert to be driven into a threaded hole that's been prepared for the size of insert being installed, and then easily extracting after installation. To use the Recoil REC-20, you screw a tanged insert on until it locks into place. Be sure to allow about 1 thread of clearance from the collar to the insert. Then you simply finger tighten the collar to set the correct depth. Then, insert hex back into the tool. When installing an insert, be sure to keep the tool alignment as vertical as possible. Drive the insert into the hole until it stops. Then use the reverse button. Please note, due to inconsistencies in the tapped holes during production, you may need to adjust the depth collar or adjust the torque settings. It's easy to set up, great for hard-to-reach places, and portable for off-site installations and repairs. The Recoil REC-20 battery driver is ideal for low to medium volume users.
Arconic Fastening Systems, innovation engineered.